Before we start today's video, I want to introduce you to a brand called Vitacap and their mushroom supplements. Yes, I said mushroom supplements. And mushrooms have actually been used for thousands of years for their various benefits in our health, and Vitacap has taken some of the best specimens and made them into easy-to-take supplements that allow you to take advantage of their benefits every day. To get a closer look at these, I chose to take a look at their lion's mane capsules, which are made from lion's mane mushroom, which are known to provide superior mental clarity, cognitive function, memory, focus, and alertness benefits. If I'm being honest too, for someone like me, eating a bunch of mushrooms every day isn't realistic. I kind of cringe at the thought of doing that actually, but taking these supplements, that's a different story. That's super easy. It's like taking any other vitamin pretty much, and then you get all the benefits from eating mushrooms without actually having to eat one mushroom. Each capsule here that I'm showing you contains 750 milligrams of lion's mane mushroom, and each bottle contains 60 capsules. And you can purchase this from their site for $24, or you can do a subscription and save 30% on that price. I highly encourage you to check out Vitacap, and if you'd like to do so, a link will be in the description for you to check them out if you're interested. Now though, on to today's episode. What is happening, guys? Mike here. Welcome back to the channel. It's been a little bit since we've seen each other. Yes, I'm still alive. Obviously, I'm the one who's been putting out the videos, but for some reason, because you can't see me, people think I'm either dead or a robot or not real or not doing stuff. I don't know, but I am here. I am here. And a while back, I introduced you to a brand called iRestore here and their crazy looking hair growth helmets, and in that video I gave you an overview of the brand and what they offer, and then pretty much how everything works. I also introduced to you in that video the big test. That's what we're doing here to see how this actually works. And what we're doing for that test, if you missed that video, was we're utilizing the head of my good friend Cody Branson, owner of Flagship Pomade. And in that first video we talked about how unfortunately Cody was experiencing some hair loss, and how we're going to see if we can use this system for a full year to see if we can change some of his circumstances there. Today, though, is our first check-in. It's been about 90 days since we began this study with iRestore. Completely just flew by. And for reference here, this is where we started with Cody's head. So this is some shots of what he had at the beginning. We can see some obvious signs of loss there. And for about 90 days now, he's been using the iRestore system, including the supplements, the cleanser, the serum, and of course, the laser helmet. Now, before we see his actual 3-month results, I do want to mention real quick that even though I am not experiencing the same type of loss, I too have been utilizing the system. Now, I actually have here the professional helmet, and what he is using is known from them as the essential helmet. And the difference between the two is the essential device that he has 51 lasers and LEDs and is designed for more top scalp coverage, which makes sense because that's where Cody is having the most trouble. The professional helmet, like what I have here, actually has 282 lasers and LEDs and is designed for more all over coverage. Both helmets, however, have that great safety sensor built in with that FDA clearance, and both are designed to be used about 25 minutes a day. Now though, let's see what Cody is working with 3 months into our test. One more time, these are his before shots. This is 3 months ago just about, and this is 3 months into our test here. And while of course no one is suggesting there is a mind-blowing change there, they actually do say the biggest results happen between months 3 and 6, but we can see some growth happening there. If you look in between the longer pieces of hair there, you can actually see some little filler starting to come in, which I think is a really encouraging sign that he's having some responses to this system. I also had the thought that instead of me just explaining everything and trying to, relay his experience, I thought we should just hear from Cody directly on his experience with the system and what he's seen. So here's what he had to say. There you are.
There we go.
Hey, how's it going?
Pretty good. Yourself?
Not too bad. So are we going to pretend like we didn't just talk like how they do it in those weird videos like, hi, it's the first time I'm talking to you, but I just actually talked to you 10 seconds ago to prepare you for this call.
Yeah, let's do that.
Yeah. Anyway, so we are talking about the iRestore system here. This is what the whole video is about. And so you've been using it for 3 months now. The supplements, the helmet, the shampoo and conditioner, the serum, all that good stuff. I just showed everybody your before pictures, your 3-month update pictures. So I wanted to just hear directly from you. What's it like using the system? Is there good things, annoying things? Like what's your experience basically?
No, I really like the system in general. I have my routine anyway, so the shampoo, conditioner, get to use that directly. I throw in the serum after I've taken my shower, get that into the scalp, which is great. Typically, I just take the pills and the gummies together in the morning, and it's done for the day. And then I wear the helmet at night, usually when I'm sitting with my son, just to kind of chill out. And all of it's not a hard routine to keep up with. The helmet does dig in a little bit towards that last 5 minutes, but past that, I mean, it's not bad. It's pretty comfortable.
Okay, so a little bit towards the end. It gets to be a little hard towards the end.
Yeah, but I mean, it needs to stay in place. So I mean, I think that's just typical. But otherwise, I love the system, and I can tell that my hair feels more full, and I don't fix my hair as much as I used to, because it used to be if I didn't, it just was a bald mess. Right. So I'm liking what it's doing so far.
So are you seeing some results? Like we can see in the picture, there's some like filling in that's starting to happen. There's not a whole lot like, mind blowing growth that I can see. I don't want to make those claims like that, but what are you seeing in the mirror when you look at it up close?
The biggest thing for me is spots like right here. I have a spot that it's still thin, but I have a lot of baby hair growth. Which is, I can tell, and it's starting to get longer. So I think that as it continues to happen, it's just like a mustache, it'll fill in. And then even back here, it's not as thin as it was. I'm starting to get some more just general growth. And so I think that the products in themselves are working. And I mean, the laser helmet, I do find that if I make sure to not miss a day of the laser helmet, I actually see a little bit better results than if I just took the supplements only. So the system as a whole works very well together.
So you think the laser helmet is a very specific part of the routine that you need to make sure to use?
Definitely, it does. I think it just expedites the process. So
perfect.
I've enjoyed it. Yeah.
Awesome. All right. Well, thank you so much for your feedback here, and I'm excited to see what happens. I really think there's going to be a lot that comes up between months 3 and 6. So I'm really excited to see where this goes. So thanks a lot for your help.
Of course, bud.
See ya. All right, so that's pretty awesome to see that he's enjoying the system, and it seems to be working. I am really interested to see what his results are in months 3 and 6. I'm only going to share with you what honestly happens. So if we see something, even if we don't see something, I'm still going to share with you what the results actually are. The last thing I want to share with you, though, here is iRestore's Black Friday sale is live right now. This is the only time of the year when you would be able to save, they said, up to $400 off, and you get a free gift with your purchase. Remember too, they do offer a 12-month back guarantee. So if you use it and use it for a full 12 months, you don't like your results, you do have a money back guarantee. So in my opinion, it's just a really safe investment with that money back guarantee. And honestly, I'm not sure how long the sale lasts. They do tend to sell out in certain occasions. So I'm just passing along the info. So this would be the time to consider it if you are in fact thinking about doing it. As always, too, links will be in the description if you are interested in checking this out. I will, of course, be back in a couple of months here. Months 3 to 6, he's gonna keep using the system, and then month 6, we're gonna check back in with him to see the results that he's getting. I'm really excited to see what happens. I really hope something does happen, because it would be really cool for him to get some of that loss back. He's a hair product maker. It's really sad for a hair product maker to go bald, right? I mean, it's kind of sad. So let's see if we can help him out. If you did enjoy today's video, let me know by tapping that like button and commenting down below. Of course, if you haven't subscribed, you absolutely need to do that. Thank you so much in advance. That's a huge help to me. Make sure you do that. That is it, though, for today. Take it easy. I'll see you next time.